Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Beta Ray Bill from THOR. So it's just going to be the head and it's a side view. Really wild looking character. He's got like Thor's helmet, but he's kind of like got like this alien horse face thing, and that's what we're going to do in profile. It's going to be step by step, completely for beginners, and it's going to be very, very short, okay? So stick around, watch to the very end because it's really, really short. It's like 7 minutes, so let's jump in, all right? I'm going to go right here into the eye area first, and I'm going to pull down. It's kind of like top of the brow. Well, kind of the top of the eye area. Pulling in. Way in there. Going to curve here. You're going to see the eye and side view. And then pull up. Down over here. And pull back here for the eye area. Okay, you got that eye. And I wanted to put a dark shape around the eye. The reason for that is because I want it to be, like, stand out. That's the whole idea of this whole, some characters like that. It's a general character thing. Sometimes you can do. Line out here for the cheekbone, pulling down. Again, he's got this kind of horse face thing, so we're going to pull down over here on the outside area. So, down over here. Out. They did kind of show him in a statue form over in the third Thor, I think Ragnarok. They show him there. Like, at least that's a statue of him, I think, like outside the building or something. Rear front of his face. It's gonna go right into those teeth. Again, very horse-like. I don't know if he actually is a horse, but he's got like a really long face. Up, back, and then a little bit of a dark spot over here, kind of for the opening of his mouth here. I'm going to pull down here for some lower teeth, and then the chin. If you like this character, by the way, say hi. Like let me know, because I don't know who knows this character. I feel like a lot of very specific comic people know this character, but almost nobody who's only watched the movies knows who this is. But that's why I was like, oh man, I'm going to draw this guy and like nobody's going to even notice this video, but whatever. Line back. Out. Curve back here for the masseter, which is actually something a horse has, a huge one. It is literally it's a muscle on your cheek, which we have too, but they have a giant one. Go over here, and we're going to pull up over here for the top of the helmet. Curve back here for the top of the head, and that's gonna run into the ear. He's got like wings the same way Thor does, and or sometimes it can be kind of robotic. But we're gonna draw wings. Go over here, up, curve back here in a wing, like wing-like thing. Back here, pull that head back, and then we're gonna pull down in here. And then we're going to pull down here for the side of that wing. Alright. Pull up. I'll give you that wing texture later. Right now we can just leave it as is. And we're going to draw the back of the neck. And his neck is going to be huge. Like a big muscular dude. Kind of reminds me of like the Green Lantern universe type of guys. Pulling in here. Alright, for the pit of the neck, pulling down here, kind of around that Adam's apple area, and it's going to pull forward a little bit more. Go over here to the wing area. And I can kind of do whatever I want right there. I'm just going to pull that line down, and then I'm going to draw the inner like U shapes here to kind of make it look like a wing here. Alright. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw the top of the helmet right here. So I'm gonna put a line from his forehead right here, back, and line over here for the back portion of the helmet. And what I could do is right here is I'm going to draw a line up, curve over, down. Okay, for kind of like some armor maybe. Draw like a maybe a curved line here for the front of his outfit. So now we're looking at him and we're kind of like, what do we do detail wise, right? A lot of things are in the details, so let's do that. Before that though, don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you like learning how to draw stuff. I'm going to post a video every single day. This is a Halloween related channel, but I draw a lot of like monsters or anything remotely like monsters from all kinds of franchises. Also, Halloween's about to roll around again, so hit that subscribe and hit that bell notification. And you know, when I really start putting 3 videos a day again during Halloween, you're going to start seeing those announcements. I'm going to go over here. That's if you know, think my stuff is worth it. You know, hopefully you do. Curve over here. Throwing these thin lines over here kind of for the muscle along here, which is basically the trapezius. There's a big muscle on the neck. We can throw some shadow underneath here. That would help a lot. And you can throw in a couple of lines here for the sternocleidomastoid. Alright, several more details. So he's an alien face, and that's mostly details you want to go over. So let's go in and draw his teeth. Right there, top and bottom. Like, everything is in the details when you're talking about something like that. See how clean that looks? It looks like it's missing something. So you want to throw in maybe these thin lines right here, which are meant to, like these dashes, and they're meant to show a form, really. They're literally showing off the form of something. Like there's a slight bump there, but it's not like a hard line. And that's kind of what I think they're used best for, in my opinion. Same thing right there. See, there's like little bumps in the skin, but it's not like a hard edge like over here where like it's totally turning. It's literally, and you can add them kind of all over the place. And what I would try to do is try to make them not look like stripes. Try to make them either connect, you know, here and there. You don't want any like floating islands. See right here, I'll do the same thing, like little nick marks, and these nick marks are, you know, again meant to show off little changes in the plane, little changes and stuff. And if you can get this kind of thing down, it will. You can literally make any monster. I mean, like for the most part, like anything with craggly skin, like anything you can think of for movies. Just you got to get that down if you can. Just practice it. And like I said, try to make it look a little natural if you can. It's up to you. You don't need to. And you're gonna learn kind of your style of doing that. You're gonna learn your style of how to kind of control those lines. And then I don't know, you can draw like shine lines over here. Not always, but there might be shine lines off of this thing. Very comic book-esque. I mean, that's similar, but it's more of a shine thing going on. Anyways, that's it. That's Beta Ray Bill from THOR. I hope anybody has ever heard of this guy. If you have, like, literally say hi to me. Like, literally say, hey, what's up? I know who this is, because a lot of people have no clue who this character is yet. I bet you he's going to be, like I said, he's going to be in a movie probably, and then everybody's going to talk about him, and then they'll be like, oh, yeah, this is that one weird character that I mentioned in a video once way back. You can draw craggly stuff over here too, by the way. Don't be, you know, don't be shy. Kind of do it all over the place with a character like this. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time, and I'll talk to you very soon, all right? See you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun.
But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.